Hey, Mike. Okay, so let me hop over to your site. All right, it looks good. I like the smoke effect. Pretty cool. Make this phone number clickable, please, so that when 99% of your clients that land on your website, which will be using a mobile phone, will have access to it and they could just click and call. Yeah, just like how these are here as well. Cool, 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 cool. Let me dive into your Instagram. Let's see what's up. Boom, boom, boom. Cool. Cool. Opportunity for you here as well. Go ahead and put the URL in here. Like, give it some space and put the URL, but always drop the URL on your posts. That way, if Google ever decides to check out your but I'm assuming you probably created this before you finished the website, so you probably haven't updated that yet. But yeah, also put the URL in your header. Okay, back to here. So yeah, put the phone number, make that clickable, and let's give it some space, some breathing room. So I would say put it over here, and let it highlight when somebody lands on it. Like, when you get to it, it's another color or something, so people know that it's clickable. Kind of like this. Boom. Yeah, kind of like that. All right, about us. Okay. Our services. Book online. Our cigars. Oh, so you sell cigars too? Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Premium quality, handmade card. Boom, 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 boom. What is this? This is a type of cigar. I would say that photo's a bit blurry, so yeah, update that photo and this photo. Oh, so you are selling the cigars. Cool. Where is it taking me to? Olivia Cigar. Okay, so it's an outsourced cigar company. Okay. Cool. Good opportunity if you are able to get a backlink, because you're giving this company a backlink, right? Because if somebody gets on your page and they click, they go to their page, right? That's the backlink. So it'd be good if this company can do the same for you. So hopefully, see if you haven't already, see if you could get a link somewhere on their site. I don't know, maybe they have a blog page and it's like, hey, looking for the best cigar lounge in Atlanta or in North Gwinnett. Check out blah 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 here, and that's a hyperlink that takes them over to your site. Okay, pass some power over, you know what I mean? Because let me see, well, first off, let me see if it's even worth it real quick. Oh, I kind of want to keep that there. That's fine. I could go back, paste. Yeah, get a backlink from them. For sure. They got good power. They got good traffic. Yeah. Get a backlink from them if you can. Even if you got to pay for it, even if you have to write the content, if you could get a blog page, a blog post, whatever, but it's worth it because they got a good amount of traffic and you could get some of that traffic coming towards you. Okay. Where are we? Book online. Ooh, I love that pic. Just looks great. Okay, that's what they can expect outside. Nice. The hookah. Okay. Sorry, the service is not yet. Okay, no problem. Alright, because it's not live. Okay, cool. Boom, boom, boom. I'm assuming that when you make these live, it'll just go to a submission or a CRM of some form, maybe. Okay, contact us. Cool. All right, did you already build your Google business profile for this business. Let's see. No, wait. Let's wait. All right, not yet. So I'm assuming you're gonna get another phone number for. I think you should get another phone number for this business so that way the two lines don't cross. GTX Gaming is definitely highly promoted under that number, so I would suggest you get another phone number and have it connect to this, but promote it with that phone number so that way the lines don't cross. All right, let's go back. Okay, homepage. Left this for last on purpose. Okay, cigar and hookah experience. Cigar and hookah environment. So the H1 on here, which I'm assuming would go right here somewhere, right? So wherever the H1 is, it needs to be cigar bar because that is what, even though that's another company's name, the cigar bar, but or cigar lounge, maybe. Let me see the keyword. Yes, cigar bar. 63,000 people look for that keyword. So even though it's this company's name, it's still open for the grabs. You know what I mean? Because people look for cigar bar near me. So I would say, you know, Gwinnett's Elite Cigar Bar or the Cigar Bar Gwinnett County, you know, because this company just recently opened up a cigar bar in another location in Gwinnett. Even though they're Atlanta, they opened up a location in Gwinnett. So I would suggest, sorry about that. Yeah, I would suggest you add that as a H1. Cigar lounge. Let's see who's looking for cigar lounge. How many people? Let's do it this way. CIGARLOUNGE. And I know I'm just kind of going through the research live with you. Cigar lounge, cigar lounge, cigar lounge. Let's see who's looking for a cigar lounge by itself without Atlanta or the word "the" connected to it. 1,200 people look for that. Okay, so you could either do cigar lounge as the header since it doesn't look. Yeah, look, Cigar Lounge Chamberlains.com. Yeah, you can either do Cigar Lounge, but if I were you and I was building this site, I would definitely do Cigar Bar. Cigar Bar, Gwinnett County, Georgia. Because those numbers are crazy. Look, 63,000 people look for Cigar Bar, and Cigar Bar near me, 61,000. So when I put in Cigar Bar, actually I put in Cigar Lounge near me, and this company came up. Where are they? Right here, the Cigar Bar ATL. And here's the Cigar Bar Gwinnett. You know, so this is really your competitor when it comes to that, when it comes to the area. That's why they're coming up. Because I'm over here, but they're in Gwinnett. So, alright. That's pretty much what I got for you there. So I would say how to attack that. Update the content. Get that down there. Oh, and let me take a look at their website. Let's see what they're doing so we can see what we need to beat. Copy link. Or I could have just opened it in a new tab. That's okay. Boom. Paste. Trying to keep this under 10 minutes, Mike. Bear with me. Look at this site. My. Wow. Atlanta's oldest constant cigar lounge. Yeah, they not lying. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, they got food and everything. They have physical locations. So I know that you are not a physical, you know, you're not a storefront. But They in our area. So that's the comp. You know what's funny? They're not even in Atlanta. They're in Lithonia and Gwinnett. And they're called Cigar Atlanta. Ain't that something? Okay. Well, these pictures are a lot better. All right, Mike, this is our comp. So I would say to definitely add a little bit more content on that homepage surrounding those keywords. Cigar bar lounge, cigar bar menu. Well, not menu. You know, and you already have it in here. It says cigar bar in your, up here. Yeah, cigar bar, Royal Haze. So you already know that's a hit. So that's what I got for you. Let's update this content, get some more links to your other pages from this link, right? So like some interlinking. So after you add the content and you get creative with it, there should be some hyperlinks in the content to take you over to take the customer over to your services. And for every interlink, you want to have like at least 50 to 100 words of content kind of surrounding that, right? Just kind of like the rule of thumb with the keywords. So cigar bar, get that in there. Cigar lounge, get that in there as far as your keywords, and get some. Oh, I see cigar lounge here. Also, when you bold keywords, that makes a difference too. So bolding it makes a huge difference. They tend to gravitate to that. So bold, interlinking, and a little bit more content with those keywords. All right. Thanks, Mike. I will talk to you soon.